Welcome back to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix Metal Gear Solid Snake Eater crashing with low-level fatal error or UE-MGSDelta Crash issue.
Fix 1. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Right-click Start. Select Device Manager. Step 2. Expand display adapters. Step 3. Right-click your GPU. Select Update driver. Step 4. Restart your PC. Fix 2. Verify game files. Steam. Step 1. Open Steam library. Step 2. Right-click the game. Choose Properties. Step 3. Go to Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Fix 3. Run as administrator. Step 1. Go to the game installation folder. Step 2. Right-click the MGSDelta executable. Step 3. Select Properties, Compatibility tab. Step 4. Check Run this program as administrator. Fix 4. Disable Overlays. Step 1. In Steam, go to Settings, In-Game. Step 2. Turn off Enable the Steam overlay. Step 3. If using Discord GeForce Experience, disable overlays too. Fix 5. Update DirectX and Visual C. Redistributables. Step 1. Download latest DirectX runtime from Microsoft. Step 2. Install Visual C, redistributables, x64 and x86. Step 3. Restart PC and launch the game. Fix. Step 3. 6. Adjust graphics settings. Step 1. Open the game settings. Step 2. Lower graphics quality and disable ray tracing. Step 3. Save and restart the game.